Alrighty guys, so it's been a freaking long time, but your boy wanted to start out his very first video very slow. So, it's actually been a very long time since I've washed the Lexus. I'll do a little quick walk around just to show you how dirty it is. I'll even show you the inside, but yeah, I guess this video I actually wanted to clean the Lexus up just to get that passion going, I guess you could say. But first things first, if you guys are watching this video, make sure you guys please like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, today will be a cleaning day and an update day. But let me show you the Lexus. So as you can see, super dirty, as you can tell. It for sure needs a wash. Lights are like yellow green instead of being green, so I'm fixing that. As you can tell, the paint is like getting all messed up. Right here it's all getting faded. I still have that Toyota front grille, so I'm trying to get rid of that. As you can see, this is what happens when you don't roll your fenders. Is it roll or cut? I believe it's roll. So you roll your front fenders and then you cut the back. But this is what happens when you don't roll it. It ends up being rusted. So I'm actually thinking about fixing this. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you want to see me fixing this rust, because I'm super interested in learning how to fix rust. But yeah, super dirty, as you can tell. Scratches, another rust spot right here and right here. Wheels are super filthy, and yeah, this is how it looks. I mean, dirty. Let me show you how filthy the inside is. Alright guys, so it's freaking hecka hot today. It's actually like 100 degrees out here in the Bay Area, but Jesus Christ, this car is super filthy. Alright guys, so as you can see, it is super like dusty, dirty. Like the freaking leather's kind of like getting messed up. The armrest is actually notoriously known for like fading really bad first. As you can see, it's kind of cracking. There's some like to say grease or like just nasty ass like faded black. I don't know if that's dirt or if it's fade. As you can tell, it's super dirty, super filthy. Like I said, this is my work car, but I mean, you guys been wanting content, so you guys will get content. I actually bought a crap load of cleaning supplies, so let me show you what I got. Okay guys, so first things first, your boy got a shop vacuum. I feel like a shop vacuum is actually necessary if you are a car guy. Obviously there are better vacuums, but you know, someday I want to get my own garage and fix my own cars. So I got this Rigid $100 wet dry vacuum, 16 gallon. It does have a detachable blower, so if I do like any body work, I feel like that's necessary, or if I want to clean the general area around the car that I'm working on, I have a blower. So I got this. Let's put this in the front. Also got Home Depot. I also got a Home Depot bucket. So I got Goo Gone, rubbing compound. I am planning to wax the car, but I don't have a buffer, so I'm just gonna do the basic detailing, which is, you know, cleaning and then obviously vacuuming. And I got hand soap because COVID. Put this in the front. Shoot. And then your boy got like a bunch of like detailing stuff, and I've been watching this.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Try tapping above to edit.
No, dude. So I've actually got a whole bunch of like detailing stuff. I've actually been watching a lot of videos of this guy who is a YouTuber who focuses on detailing cars, and I don't know, it's just super relaxing seeing like dirty ass cars get cleaned super well. But yeah, the boy got a sponge, a little detailing brush. I also have leather conditioner spray, leather cleaner, I believe. Yep. 303. I heard this stuff is really good as a detailer. Obviously your wash wash and wax. You know, your boy went cheap. I don't have wash and then wax. I also have carpet cleaner because the carpet's super filthy. I have, what is this? Wheel and tire cleaner as well. Gotta clean the freaking glass. I also have the best drying freaking cloth ever. Like, I don't know about you guys, but holy crap. Like these, what is this called? I feel like it's called a shamu. I believe it's called a shamu, but dude, like these work super well. I also got a interior brush, so probably just to take off the debris that won't come off with just, you know, using the vacuum. I also got detailing shit for the headlights, like I showed you guys. So let's go ahead and start setting up. Like I said, I'm trying to ease my way into, you know, being passionate about cars again. The reason why I stopped the channel in the first place is primarily because I wanted to find a way to make more money, in a sense where like I have a career, and I feel like that should be necessary if you want to fix cars and you know, have fun with it. Because I'm not trying to say money is the answer to everything, but in order for you to have a nice car and have, you know, real dope things, you need to have money, unfortunately. And for a Lexus, as you guys may know, it's a lot of money to fix up. Like, I literally spent $400 on like 2 parts. So they are coming in from Japan, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah guys, that's the reason why I've been hiatus. But yeah, I kind of want to ease my way back into fixing cars again. Thank you to all 500 subscribers that have subscribed and have been watching. I'm trying to make this channel very community-like, so I'm thinking about actually making a little Discord channel, just so we could all, you know, talk about cars, help each other out. I think that'd be super cool. But let me know in the comments below if that works out for you guys. There's that about where I've been and my channel, and you know, like I said, I'm slowly easing into cleaning the car, fixing it, and, you know, trying to get that passion back. Let me show you guys what's in today's agenda. So basically, I don't know if you guys can see that. This is an OEM Lexus grill. I don't know if you guys saw, but I have the Toyota one, and I know that's hella cool. But you know what isn't cool is having that Toyota out emblem or grill with the Lexus lettering or badges in the back. So I decided, hey, why not just try to find an OEM Lexus grill instead of an aftermarket one? Because you know, it's super expensive. I don't want to spend $500 for a grill that could potentially break when I'm working. And like I said, this is my work car. But yeah, the reason why I got this and I have Gugon is because I want to make this back into chrome. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna just spray it off with Gugon and power wash it off, so that way it'll go back to its chrome originality, I guess you could say. So let's get started, and then we'll start getting ready to clean. Alright, let's turn this baby on. That's right. Okay. If you guys are looking for a very affordable power washer, Harbor Freight, $100. All you gotta do is change the gun, or I mean the water pressure gun or tip, with a much more professional one. I'll probably put a video up when I have extra money to buy one, but this will actually do, and it's pretty legit. Let me show you guys. That is freaking legit. Let me go ahead and just start washing the car, and then I'll talk more about the plans for the Lexus. Alright guys, so basically washed the car. Now I'm just gonna use some wash and wax just to get it all soaked up. I already put this on, but unfortunately no one wants to see me put that on. and spend probably like an extra minute of video time just to get that thing, just to show that thing, I guess you could say. But yeah, I am gonna start soaping the car, and it's freaking hot. But yeah, the plan for the Lexus is basically, I originally wanted to go VIP, but the problem with that is that this is actually my work car, and you guys are probably wondering, okay, yeah, you go from home to work, work to home, but I don't know if you guys know, but I'm actually a real estate photographer for a, well, I like to say a property management photographer, in-house photographer. So they got me going like everywhere, which sucks, you know, but I mean, how else am I supposed to, like you say, fund my hobbies, right? So yeah, I originally wanted to go VIP, but now with my new job, I kind of gotta, you know, be cautious about how I want to build my car. Last thing I want is to build the exterior of the Lexus really nice, and then next thing you know, I get into an accident, knocking on wood. There's no wood, probably in the back, but yeah, I'm knocking on wood. But yeah, hopefully that doesn't happen. But yeah, let's say in a scenario where I fix up the exterior of the car, new wheels, air suspension, all the other stuff, and like what happens if I get stuck in the road and then I have to take it to a shop, or what happens in a scenario where like the car's totaled, and you know I didn't really get to enjoy building the car, I guess you could say. So I'm kind of thinking of how to go about to fixing the Lexus. I still do want to go VIP, but I can also go performance if I want to. Still haven't decided. Let me think about it. Let's go ahead and just start soaping the car. I am not a detailer. I wish I was. Detailers, give me some pointers please, but we're just washing the car, guys. Yeah guys, I'm actually not too sure how to go about to fixing the Lexus. I mean, there's just so much options, right? I can literally go VIP, fix the exterior and hope for the best, or I could go interior to exterior, or I could go, you know, function over form. There's just so much options, right? And I've been thinking about it very long, and I told myself if I were to do my car channel again, it would have to be financially smart for me. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm actually thinking about going from interior to function. So like, you know, suspension, I feel like that'd be a priority for Lexuses. So suspension, engine work, all that good stuff, and then do exterior. And if something does happen, I could just go all out function. Because I'm not gonna lie guys, I've always wanted to try to drift. I mean, I've had drift friends and they kill it, but I've always wanted to personally just try it for myself. I don't know guys, let me go ahead and just start soaping and then I'll think about it more. Alright guys, so here's how the Lexus looks. As you can tell, there is a lot of cleaning that needs to be done. Still gotta clean this part. As you can see, a lot of rock chips from you know, obviously daily driving the car. But what do you guys think? Thumbs up for rebuilding the Lexus. Thumbs down. Maybe fix the Honda. I don't even know. But then again, I know that it's actually going to look kind of shittier when it's much more sunlight. But yeah guys, it actually looks super sick, not gonna lie. Let's go ahead and wash off the Goo Gone. I don't know if you guys can see, but that actually came off by itself. So I'm kind of excited to show you guys the end result, and hopefully Goo Gone. Hopefully that worked. Not too bad. I'll go ahead and continue. I know you guys don't want to watch me taking off Plasti Dip, but let's go ahead and continue. Okay guys, so I don't know if you guys can tell. Boom, super dark already. It's already, I don't even know what time it is. Freaking 8 o'clock, holy crap. I started this around like 6:30, so Yeah, finally got it dried. It honestly is starting to look good, and brings back memories when I first bought the car and was like, dang, dude, I can't wait to do all of this. And yeah, I feel like that's super necessary, right? I feel like that is super necessary for one to fall in love with their hobbies and their crafts, right? I feel like if, like a basketball player, right? It doesn't make sense for a basketball player to keep playing basketball if he doesn't love the sport. Yeah, he can be very good at it and all that other stuff, but I feel like someone who is much more passionate compared to someone who's just good at doing what they're doing and is just very complacent, I feel like the passionate person will always overcome the person who is really good but complacent. So yeah, this is how it looks. I mean, in the dark you can't really tell, obviously it's super dark, but honestly it's looking super clean again, as you can tell, it needs for sure a nice polish, some clay barring, some new wheels obviously, and for the grille, let me go ahead and show you the Lexus one. This is Gugon. After it being used like twice, I'm actually not too sure if this is chrome. I hella forgot, but I know the outer edge is chrome. Obviously the middle is chrome, but yeah, it's looking good. So if you guys are looking to take off Plasti Dip, Gugon's your best bet. I unfortunately did not clean the interior because obviously I'm washing the car, prepping it, soaping it, while at the same time recording and trying to get rid of the Gugon. So I feel like this is probably going to be like a two-part series, just to get the ball rolling. I like to take little baby steps and then do the fun stuff. So like I said, parts are coming from Japan, and I believe New Jersey. It isn't anything crazy, but I've always wanted to fix this, and I feel like this is super important, especially if you're a Lexus owner or Toyota owner in general, because this is a common problem and I want to show you guys how to fix it. Supposedly it's super easy. I haven't really looked too much into it, but I want to show you guys. So like I said, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what I should do with the car. VIP, interior, suspension, engine, exterior, or should I just go function, or should I just do exterior? Let me know in the comments below. Oh yeah, also before I go, I decided that I actually wanted to commit to this channel. I want to commit to it for like a year. I want to see where it grows. So it really means the world to me if you guys could just like, comment, share, and subscribe. I want to make this into like a dope ass community where we're helping each other out. I saw my video that went viral about how to fix the ABS, VSC lights, and all the other stuff, and I really enjoyed the fact that you guys put in the effort in trying to help each other out and see if it really worked. Fixing the wheel sensor, checking the voltage within the wheel speed sensors, see which one is running, I guess you could say, or which one needs to be replaced. But like I said, guys, let me know in the comments below what I should do with the Lexus, what's up with the community. Should I start a Discord, talk about cars and all this other stuff? And I have a big favor to ask you guys. Can we get this channel to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year? 2020 sucks, but if I can somehow provide value and form a dope ass community, like, that means the world to me. So let me know. 1,000 subscribers, let's go. Next video, catch you guys, alright? This time we're gonna be cleaning that dirty ass interior. Alright, it's hella hot. Gotta go. Peace.